Today is Friday, October 10th, 2025. A really solid green day for me. I ended the day with $7.37 for the profit ratio. Giving myself an A plus for the day. And I'm going to call this so far my best green day in this strategy. I took 50 trades. I only had 9 losers. My biggest loser was 6 cents. And I had 2 break even trades. So my average loser was 3 cents, and I had 41 winners, averaging 19 cents. My biggest winner was 44 cents. Just totally nailed it today. 82% accuracy. Average winner was, 6 times the average loser. And with 82% accuracy, what an awesome morning it was for me. I stopped just before the market opened. I said, I've done so nice in the pre-market session. Um, Today, I'm just going to be done. I have a few errands I need to get done. And I was also extremely tired. I'm surprised they even got out of bed to trade this morning. But man, I'm glad I did because I friggin' nailed it. This makes me feel so good, so confident. Um, just an awesome morning for me. Uh, there was a couple tickers that were really moving nice in my happy price range area, so that really worked well for me. And I ended up essentially doubling my day all on one ticker. After the 8 o'clock hour rang, the SLE came out with news, and it went from the 350s all the way up to I think almost $8 or uh, yeah, $6. And man, I just nailed several trades on it. So really awesome Friday morning. Gives me some really strong vibes for the weekend, so that's great. And what else can I say? An awesome Friday, and let's hope for some similar momentum on Monday. All right. This is where I made some of my best moves of the morning on Friday. Ticker SLE, the 1 minute chart, and I made 14 trades in this range right here. I went green on 12 of the 14, and one of the losers was exactly break even. This was a really nice move for me, and I friggin' nailed trading on this setup. I'm so happy with how I did. My biggest move of the morning came right in this area here as we broke $6. I made an entry at 550, expecting it to kind of bounce into the 570s area to test this previous high, and it ripped straight through all the way up to $6. Once I saw $6, I clicked sell and ended up getting filled at 602. It actually popped up to 608, so I missed out on a few cents, but holy cow, what an awesome move that was. Super nice. Just this thing was just so clean for me. Um, right at the half dollars and the whole dollars is where I was really settling in. And then as we started to consolidate and go backside, uh, I tried a couple moves, and this is where I made one break even and one of my losers for the morning. Like I said, I made two. I went 12 for 14 in this area, and once I started once we got below VWAP, my uh, this was gonna be my last trade. As we broke below VWAP, I was gonna try and do a VWAP bounce, and I was kind of hesitating because it didn't seem like it was gonna. It wasn't giving me the VWAP bounce vibes, and man, it didn't respect VWAP at all. It broke way below VWAP, so I really dodged a bullet there. Just I think the fact that I had been watching this chart for so long and really getting a good feel of it, if I would have kind of just popped this chart up and then seen that we were going to test VWAP, I probably would have bought in there and got tanked on it. Luckily, I avoided that, and that was my sign to say stop trading this chart, um, which I did. And we even came up and retested VWAP and broke through just for a second, and then consolidated below again. So I'm happy with the way I traded this chart. And most of these trades were nice 15, 20 cent trades right at the half dollars and whole dollars as we broke through a level, then came back and tested it again. And man, I'm really happy with how I traded it. This is kind of what I'm trying to make my bread and butter for my strategy. And when I do it right, it shows. And this ticker, just these trades I took on this range, basically doubled my pre-market session today, and gave me the confidence to just skip out on the open and be done with trading for the day. I can't do much better than how I did today. There's no point in risking messing anything up or for getting frustrated in the trading in the market open. So I sat on my green day, and a nice confidence boost for me for the weekend.